Hello children, in this video we'll take unit 9 and the name of the chapter is A Rare Species of Uncle. Now let me read out the introduction of the author. Zay Whitaker is an Indian writer who writes mainly about wildlife and conservation, and she became interested in it because her family members were great lovers of nature. Now everybody please keep your books with you so that the time when I'll make the explanation you will see in the book line by line I will make the explanation of the entire chapter. Now let me read out the first paragraph. This text is taken from the biography of Salim Ali, a well-known Indian ornithologist. Who is an ornithologist? A person who studies or is an expert on birds, famously referred to as the Birdman of India. Here, Zai Whitaker tells us about her childhood experiences with Salim Mamu, who was her grandmother's brother. Salim Bhai was by Mamu. What Zai Whitaker, she is telling us that Salim Bhai, he was her Mamu, my grandmother's Kamu's brother. My means here Zai Whitaker. So she is telling that Salim Bhai was her grandmother's Kamu's brother. By the time I was born, now she is telling her that when she was born, he was living with Kamu and her husband, who Salim Bhai used to live with their Nana and Nani, and they used to live in Bandra, Mumbai. My parents are both nature lovers, and my father, Zafar, became interested in birds through Salim Mamu. And here she is telling us that her both the parents, they were nature lover, and the credit of their this nature goes to Salim Mamu. My mother Lee wrote a book with Salim Mamu called Common Indian Birds, and her mother she wrote a book on birds along with Salim Mamu. Quite often when new bird watchers are out in field, one or two of them look into my mother's book to identify bird, and the book was so good, it was so famous that whenever any bird watcher used to come in the field, they used to consult that book to know about the birds. My brother, sister, and I grew up in a very nature friendly atmosphere. Now, here the author Zeb Taker, she is telling us that there were three in the family, she, her brother, and her sister, and they have grown up in a very nature friendly atmosphere where they used to talk about nature, birds, animals. At dinner, we often heard words like habitat and ecosystem. They used to talk about the words like habitat. Habitat means the place where a particular type of animal or plant is normally found, and ecosystem means the way in which living things in an area relate to each other and their surroundings. And many discussions about nature and environment took place around our beautiful old dining table in Juhu Lane. And often on the dining table at the dinner time, they used to talk about these words: habitat, ecosystem, environment, atmosphere, nature friendly. So, those days I greatly envied my school friends because they could sleep as late as they liked on weekends. And now she is sharing her childhood time when she used to feel jealous about her friends just because they were free to sleep as much they liked. We, on the other hands, were woken up at 5:30 a.m. to go bird watching at Borivali Park, and they were compelled to get up early in the morning 5:30 a.m. so that they can go to Borivali Park for bird watching, which is now a national park, and the Borivali Park is now a national park. Sometimes Salim Mamu would come along too, and now she is telling that, and sometimes they were accompanied by Salim Mamu. He also used to come along with them. He would drive his Willys jeep like a battle tank, honking and shouting at every person and car on the road. His temper, which was never very sweet, was definitely at its worst on the road. And now she is sharing the temper. the mood of her mamu, which was worst when he used to come on the road. As passengers, we learned to shut our eyes and hope for the best. And they used to scare so much when they used to go in his jeep. At Borivali, we had favorite walking trails in the forest, following pretty streams and waterfalls. And at the Borivali Park, they had a favorite walking trails mean path that are followed for particular purpose, following pretty streams. And by the side of that trails, by the side of that path, it had beautiful streams and waterfalls. I was not a great bird watcher and still remains so. And she is telling that she was not a very great bird watcher and now also she is not. I keep buying birds, books, and binoculars, hoping that these will magically make me clever. And to show others that she is also good in it, she used to buy books, she used to buy binoculars, so that she can impress the people. But Salim Mamu definitely had some secret bird finding talent, and here she is telling that the Salim Mamu, he was really very good and he had some secret and with which he used to find the birds easily.